So in this quick demo, we've got two services deployed, accessible through the Gateway API. Services are echo-1 and echo-2. And in this Gateway API configuration, what we've got is two weights of 50 for echo-1 and echo-2. And when I do a curl to the echo service, what we see is we get in a response the name of the server that we've reached. So when we iterate and save the responses, we can then filter and see how many requests go to echo-1 and how many requests go to echo-2. And we see that it's pretty much even, right? Because we've got this 50-50 weight between the two services. Now, if we edit the weights and force 99% of the traffic to go towards echo-1 and only 1% to go towards echo-2, we can then run the same test again, and we can see that the traffic will, as we expect, mainly go to the echo-1 service. And that's it. Thank you.